Welcome to Lesson 3 of the Healthy Living Soils resources, designed to support teachers in educating students about the carbon cycle in the soil, how soil fungi plays a crucial role, and apply an Earth systems approach to analyse soil degradation issues. This project is a collaboration between Primary Industries Education Foundation Australia, Soil Science Australia and Soils for Life, and is supported through funding from the Australian Government's National Landcare Program. The Teacher's Guide aims to provide comprehensive support for teachers to effectively engage students with the curriculum content. This lesson has a range of activities that allow for differentiation and encourage collaboration between students and groups within the classroom. By selecting the Lesson 3 button, you can access the Teacher Guide. Lesson 3, The Carbon Cycle and Soil, targets Year 9 students and is aligned with the science content from version 9 of the Australian curriculum. The codes link to the Australian Curriculum website if you wish to explore the elaborations further. The resources and equipment list outlines all the materials needed to teach this lesson, including active links to videos, source information, and links to take you directly to student worksheets. After each active link, you will notice Learn or View in brown text. This will help you direct students using the Students page to find specific worksheets from the Student Learn menu and video or source materials from the Student View menu. Continuing through the Teacher Guide, you will find background information to provide context, knowledge and understanding of the carbon cycle in soil, the relationship between plants and microorganisms in the soil, carbon sources and sinks, and way to improve the health of Australia's agricultural soils. The comprehensive lesson guide outlines each of the 5 activities for the lesson, including detailed teacher instructions and suggested questions for class discussion. There are also suggested answers for student discussion questions and worksheets to assist and support teachers, and may be displayed to assist students once they have completed their work. In Activity 3.1, students will review their understanding of the global carbon cycle by undertaking a preliminary quiz. They will watch informative videos that explain the relationship between soil biodiversity, carbon cycle processes, and their vital contributions to maintaining healthy soils and plant growth. In Activity 3.2, students create a diagram depicting the carbon cycle within the soil, highlighting essential processes such as photosynthesis, respiration and decomposition. Following this, they assess the accuracy of their model in reflecting the carbon cycle as it operates in the real world. In Activity 3.3, students will explore the symbiotic interactions between fungi and plants, examining how these interactions facilitate the cycling of carbon within the soil and ultimately enhance plant growth. In Activity 3.4, students gain insights into how knowledge of the mutually beneficial relationships between crops and mycorrhizal fungi can be leveraged to enhance agricultural productivity. In the role of soil scientists, students will communicate soil improvement advice to farmers. Concluding with Activity 3.5, students investigate the cause and effect relationships between soil processes and the Earth's 4 spheres. They will employ an Earth systems model to assess the consequences of Earth science events, such as soil degradation, with a particular focus on the decline in soil organic matter. Worksheets cater for schools and students with various needs and access to technology. Student worksheets can be accessed at the bottom of the Teacher Guide or viewed individually via the Student page. Student worksheets may be printed or completed online using the active links and writable areas. This lesson is designed so students can work independently using digital devices via the Students page. Students click on the lesson number to gain access to individual student worksheets from the Learn menu, which may be completed online using the writable areas. QR codes and active links are on worksheets to assist students in accessing the required material. The View menu contains active links to video content and source materials for student access. Thank you for your interest in the Healthy Living Soils resources. If you would like to explore other food and fibre teaching resources from PIFA, please click the Prime Zone link in the menu bar at the top of the page. We also invite you to explore Soil Science Australia and Soils for Life websites.